Hi, here is a virtual check of a customer's roof. So in Upper Darby, there is the porch roof. You see the porch roof. The upper roof is really black, but it looks very good, dried, with no sign of waterlog anywhere on the roof. So the virtual check was successful. All the customer need to do is to probably do a coating, contact a roofing company, and then you can take it up from there. Don't rely on Google Map because it might not give you an accurate state of your roof. You need to send a drone up, especially if you have not checked your roof for 5 or 10 years. You need to know what's up there on your roof. Probably might not have any bodies up there, but you need to check and see exactly how your roof looks like. And those little maintenance you do might help you or prevent you from spending a lot of money, because roofs are costly. So the coatings you do, you have to preserve your roof over a long period of time, and most of those coatings, they come with warranties from those roofing companies. Yeah, so the roof is good, the upper roof, the lower roof, and then the porch roof looks nice. Another happy customer. So let me know, please, if you want to do a virtual check of your roof. Give me a call or just contact me. We can have a conversation offline, and we can go from there. But this looks good, and it's a nice roof for the customer. So thank you very much for watching, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're on YouTube, and also follow me on Facebook for more videos. Thank you very much, and have a nice and wonderful day. Bye.